Hello everyone, this is Thomas's number one here, and today I am doing another TNO custom model showcase. Today I'm going to be showing you some customs, and these customs are the Skarloey railway coaches. Now, as you can probably tell, these are made out of Ada, Jane, and Mabel. Well, not the ones that I use in my series. During Christmas last year, I got some models of Ada and Mabel. Sadly, I didn't get Jane then. And I had no use for my extra Ada and Mabels, so I decided, I'm going to make these into customs because I never seen anyone on YouTube make a custom out of either Ada, Jane, or Mabel. So what I did is that I paint over their faces and their name tags on the back. Now they're just plain ordinary coaches. There's nothing on the bottom, so that's them. And this next custom that I made, if you guys saw on Twitter, this custom is Garnet from Steven Universe. Now, I made Garnet out of either a Donald or Douglas model. So when I got this from the mail on eBay, the Donald model right here, or Douglas, was in really bad shape. So I painted over the edge wear, cut off the face, and replaced it with Garnet's face. And of course, these are her gems, where the buffers are. Here's Garnet's name on the undercarriage. Nothing on the back. Here's her tender. It says Garnet's tender on the bottom. So that's pretty much it. And that is all for my custom model showcase on Garnet and the Skarloey Railway coaches. This is Thomas's number one signing out, saying goodbye, and thank you all for watching.